everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to change Snapchat profile picture. Let's get started. First, Snapchat doesn't let you upload a regular photo as a profile picture like the other apps, but you can set a Bitmoji or selfie as your profile image. And here's how. First, open the Snapchat and then here tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. If you already have a Bitmoji link, tap your Bitmoji and choose Change Outfit or Change Selfie to update your look. And if you don't have a Bitmoji, tap Add Bitmoji to create one. And to change your selfie, tap the profile image circle and select a new one from Snapchat's preset poses. And once you're done, your new Bitmoji or selfie will appear as your profile picture. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.